Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the new Instagram name tags feature, and we're going to go through everything you need to know about Instagram name tags. So the first thing to know is that Instagram name tags is a feature to allow people in person to discover you or follow you more easily. It can also be effective on social media, so it doesn't necessarily have to be in person. And we'll go through that as well. So right now I'm on the story camera screen. To access this, we need to swipe to go to the home screen, and then you're going to want to go to your profile tab in the bottom right. From here, you'll want to tap the three lines in the top right corner, or you can just swipe to the right. And you'll have a new item here in this menu called name tag. So go ahead and tap on that. So if you're hanging out with someone in person and they're looking to add you on Instagram, you could open up this screen, then they can point their camera at it. And to do that, they would tap scan a name tag in the bottom of the screen. So you can go to this, and I have that on my desktop and it scanned it that fast. So then it pops up my profile, and then they could go to view profile and it would take them straight to it. So I'm gonna go back here, close this out. You can see like this is it just has a camera and it's scanning this, so it does it super fast there. So fast I can't even back out. Okay, so let's open up that name tag feature again. So basically, if you're trying to add them, you're gonna hit the scan a name tag thing on the bottom. If they're trying to add you, they're gonna hit scan a name tag. You have a few options to customize this name tag. You can use this color button on the top of the screen. So right now it's on color. You can tap on that and you can go to emoji. So this is another style. You can tap it again and you can go to selfie. So I'm gonna take a photo of this one real quick. So there's a style with a bunch of selfies, and there's also a retake button in the top right corner if you want to retake that. So you just keep tapping this to toggle through the styles. I'm just going to leave it on the color one right now. So that's the main way that you would add someone using this name tag feature. You're going to hit scan a name tag on the bottom, and then you're going to add people in person. So it could be easier than like telling them your username, especially if you have a complicated username. The next way you can use this is sort of posting them on social media. In order to do that, what you would want to do is tap the share button in the top right corner. And then it's going to allow you to share this to many different platforms. So you could send it to someone by email, and then if they open up that email on their computer, they could point their Instagram camera at it and add you. The same goes for texting, Twitter. So I saw someone posted their new name tag on the Twitter feed earlier. So if I was viewing that, I could point my Instagram camera at that and follow them. So let's just save an image of this. Basically, it's going to take this image and post it wherever you tell it to from this share screen. So let's save the image. We'll take a look at what that looks like real quick. I'm going to go to photos and then open this up. And there's what it looks like. So when you save the image, this is what it's going to give you. Then you can post that wherever you want on the internet so that people can scan it and add you on Instagram. And this is where the other styles come into play as well. So we saw that there's multiple styles that you can sort of export to get one that more matches your brand and everything for where you post that. So let's close this out, go back to Instagram. I actually want to try this from the story screen. Oh, it does work. So we can go to the story screen, and then it says press and hold to scan a name tag. So you don't need to go to the name tag screen and all of that if you're going to scan someone. You can just open up your normal stories camera here, and you just want to hold down in the center of the screen and point it at the name tag, and then their profile will pop up and you can hit view profile and go directly to them and follow them or check out their profile. And there you have it. There's an overview of how to do everything with the new name tags feature in Instagram. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. I also have an Instagram playlist here on the channel that has 100 tutorial videos that you could check out if you're interested in that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos, and drop a like on this video if it helped you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
JMKM, oh yeah, that's